welcome back to the channel. Today's video, we meet up with some friends. We meet up with James and 5.0 Sal. We're gonna go to the detail garage car show today. So we got the car here, and then warm up, waiting for my brother, and then we're gonna go pick up one of his friends, and we're gonna go to the car wash first. But yeah, I don't know. I'm expecting to see some pretty cool cars there. You know, it's their 2-year anniversary of them opening up shop, so I'm pretty sure a lot of people are gonna go. So we're gonna try to get there like at 9 and not later. So, well, yeah. Right now we got the car here. That idle. Being bagged and boosted like this. Nah, I'm just playing. I would never want to be bagged. That's too much weight. You gotta get that weight reduction, you know? I was thinking about taking off the fenders and the hood and the front bumper and every panel of the car so I can be faster, but it wouldn't look good, so yeah. But we're just waiting for my brother and for my car to warm up, and then we'll see you at the car wash. Alright guys, so we just got here to the car wash. With the boy James in the club. God, this guy. Right, no, I told you, I'm gonna shoot a video. I don't want to bring nobody.
Are you lying, dude?
So, James, give us a little tour of your car.
It's a little dirty right now, you know. Some rain happened last night by my house. As you can see, we got the race stars right there.
Clean, the gunmetal gray.
Under the car, you can't see them, but we got 2 turbos. The eBay turbo kit, making at least 50 horsepower plus.
And as you can see right here,
this dude says 850.
the driver mode. Sal, I know, he's not even here.
Bro, if he's not here in like 10 minutes, we're gonna leave, bro, because we gotta get there at 9.
Yeah. Well, we gotta wash our cars.
Dirty, right? And then you have to see, bro, my car's not that dirty, right? No, it's dirty. Like under the seat, bro, they look bad. It's really dirty, but I saw under the seat,
Yeah, James.
yesterday, bro, it looks bad.
Vlog today. Hey, James, today's gonna be a banger, right?
Yes, sir.
Make sure y'all go check out his
You
channel.
already know, I'm finna, if a Lambo crashes into me, Z06 coming next.
So, James, you wanna shout out your channel? I mean, I'm pretty sure everyone that subscribed to me is subscribed to you, but if you're not subscribed, make sure y'all go subscribe to James Torres on YouTube.
Yes, sir.
Follow him on Instagram.
Yes, sir.
Boys, you want to shout out your Instagram? My boy with the fresh cut right here.
Matt.Q with 2 M's.
Matt.Q too.
All the dudes hit him up.
Oh, no.
Oh, what did you say?
Alright, guys, so we just got to the meet. We got my boy Sal pulling up right there.
Is it him?
Oh.
Hey, bro, you look a little tired.
Hey, make sure you don't hit that hitch. The hitch on the truck. Hopefully we won't get copyrighted for the music, but yeah, don't. The show car right here. You just got a couple supers over there. That normal traffic. Bro, we're like all the way in the back, bro. There's cars like this. Mia with the Genesis, she wanted the Genesis. Alright guys, so we're here. This is where we parked at. Bro, there's so many clean cars here. There's like Ferraris, Lambos. There's a C8 too. There's a bunch of bagged cars, cars on drags, everything, bro. And look, bro, look at this big truck, bro. It's a big one right there. Got the boy 5.0 Sal. James Torres and Moses right here.
I do.
guys, we just got to the legendary Bill Millers right here. My boy James right here. The boy Sal, they got some good runs. We put him in the video.
He catches it to me.
That's crazy.
Bro, I knew
Really made me lose control. I'ma let my love